Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can create a Google Sheets shortcut on your desktop. So in here, this desktop or this the shortcut will make it easier for you to find and also open the important file. So let's say I want to create a shortcut to this file. So here's what you need to do. You just need to click on the three dots icon at the top right corner on your browser, and here find the more tools option, and there will be an option to create shortcut. Click on that option, and then after that click on create. Okay, after that you can find it on your desktop to see if it works. Okay, so yeah, see the it will be added automatically like this. So when you click on it, it will be open like this. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks.